Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check the concept of synchronized block on an object. Now this is a small little thing which I should have covered in our last video itself, but nevertheless let's cover this off. Alright, so now currently we are making use of a synchronized block, which is cool, but the object which we are making use in order to synchronize this block is this object or this instance. Now friends, whenever we make use of synchronized, a monitor lock or an intrinsic lock is applied. Now this lock need not to be exposed to the outside world, and it is recommended to make use of a private object in order to apply the lock. So let's do the recommended thing. In here we will add in a private entity. It would be of type object equals, the name could be like lock, and we will initialize this with what we say a string lock maybe. So this is cool, and we will copy this name of the lock and paste it in place of this. Now the impact of this change would be nothing on the program. The time required would be same, the overall mechanism would be same, but this is a recommended thing because this lock is now totally hidden from the outside world and no one would be able to modify this lock explicitly. So this is one thing which is very good, and this is a lock, so we need not to worry about the getters and setters for the lock, which is again important. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.